Okay, October 20 days to Halloween. So yesterday we found, stay. We found 3 old toys. Okay, 3 old Halloween toys. We got the Frankenbeagle, the spiderweb cactus, and the witch cactus. I found 2 more today, old toys. We got the bat, and we got this Frankenstein. And I know it came in a set of 3. There was supposed to be a pumpkin. I don't know where it went. We really need some new toys, huh, guys? We really need some new toys. And unfortunately, I don't have any new Halloween toys for you, but I have something that's very seasonal, in my opinion, and that's college football toys. Nothing says fall like college football, huh? So how about these? How about these? Nice new toys. Look at that. There we go. Okay, what do you think about these? What do you think about these? Oh, there you go. Hold on, I need to take the tag off. Okay, hold on. Okay. Oh, there was that. Okay. What do you think? I'm gonna need to take the tag. Of course you had to play with the tag of all things, huh? Okay, I'll go take that tag off in a minute. Okay, and of course you have to eat the foam. No. What about these guys? Okay, these are live. Ooh. Whoa. Bull. There you go. Bull. Oh my goodness. Bull. There you go. Bull. There you go. That's football. There you go. Bull. There you go. Bull. It's a very good wrestling move, huh? You spin around and use your body as leverage to pull it away because I don't want you to hurt yourself, okay? All right, that's not what it's for. It's to tug and pull, not to chew. There we go. Oh, okay. Pull. Pull. Here we go. Pull. Okay, I'm gonna take this away. I don't want you to destroy that quickly. I don't want you to destroy that quickly. May I have this back? May I have it back? Oh, jeez. Okay, we'll stop here as I try to get this back. Okay, guys. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see if I can dig up some more old Halloween toys or some new seasonal toys for you, okay? But that's it for today. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's it. Pull, pull, pull. There you go. Pull, pull, pull. There we go. That's the way to play it. There we go. Okay. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, pull, pull. Jeez. Nope. And this is what she does, of course. Try to get those little threads and rip it apart. No, 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 no.